But first, heavy storms came through the area last night, and 10 Tampa Bay's Miguel Octavio is in Ybor City, where some very strong winds ripped roofs and brought down trees.
Well, crews are still really busy here in Ybor City cleaning up from the microburst that went through yesterday. This street on North 23rd Street is still blocked off. You can still see a lot of debris from here and a lot of fallen trees, including this one down here. We spoke with a homeowner living nearby. His roof is completely off from the microburst. He described what he calls sheets of water just pouring down yesterday. He used a bucket, whatever he could, to pour them out to prevent the house from flooding, but it was too powerful. The microburst has left his home damp, his ceilings in shambles. Obviously, he's still processing from the shock, but so far, support from neighbors have been helping him get through.
Nothing. Just try to get the water out, and I guess the adrenaline. And when everything kind of settled down, that's when it hit. It's like, oh my God, what do I do?
And neighbors like Charles, who you just heard from, are patiently waiting for their insurance to kick in and get some support. We'll be on top of the cleanup efforts here today in Ybor City, so stick with us here on 10 Tampa Bay at 5 p.m. and on our website, 10tampabay.com. For now, reporting in Ybor City, Miguel Octavio, 10 Tampa Bay.